We will be working on the first page of the packet. You will need your scissors and your glue. If you do not have those, please go get those now. So the first part, we're going to cut on the dotted line on the bottom so that it's two pieces. So you have the pictures on one piece, and then you have the A's and the O's on the other piece. So I'm going to cut on the dotted line. So that I have my A's and my O's. And it's okay if you have some of these pieces too attached. I just cut it off so it's easier to see. So the first one is cat. It says you trace the letters A and O and cut them out. Then glue next to the picture whose name has the middle sound heard in map. And O next to the pictures whose name have the middle sound of mop. So, I'm going to use a green marker. You could use a colored pencil or a crayon. You're just going to trace the A's and the O's. They both start with the circle shape. The A has the line down. Circle shape, line down. So there's my A's. So, cat, map, cat, mop. Does it sound more like map or mop? At. It has that A sound, right? So I'm going to cut off one A from my line. So I cut one A off. And now I'm going to take my glue and on the side that does not have the A, because the A is on this side, I'm going to put it down. I'm going to rub it over the glue. And then I'm going to glue it down on that. So A, at, it has the A. Now we're going to move over to clock. Clock. So clock, map, clock, mop. The ah sound is the O sound. Yes, ah. O says O or ah. A says A or ah. So I'm going to take my strip. I'm going to cut off an O. And then again, I'm going to use the part that doesn't have the letter. Put it on the glue. Move it around so it covers it. And then I'm going to glue it down. So I have cat with the A, clock with an O. Our next picture is log. Log. Does it sound like the map or the ah? Sounds like the ah sound, doesn't it? So there's the O. So then I'm going to glue it down. So we have cat with the A, clock with an O, log with an O. So we have an A, an A, and an O left. I'm going to look at the bat. B-at. Does that sound like m-ap or m-op? Which one do you think? I want you to try this one on your own. So whichever one you have. So if you think it's a, you're going to cut out the A. If it's O, you're going to cut out the O. It's A, yes, B-at. So I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to glue it on. Okay, so now we have bat, and then this is a top, op, op. Does that sound like app or op? I'm gonna let you do it. Sorry, my dog just stole the glue stick. Silly dog. Okay, so topped, op. It has the O, so I have my A and my O. I'm gonna take my O, put some glue on it, and stick it on. So, op. Okay, then the last one is bag, egg, and we only have an A left. Or it could be a sack. I guess it would be a sack. Sack. And then there it is. Check your work with mine. Good job. Kiss your brain.